Morning student. So online teaching for the session 2020-21 in front of you myself Vandana. So today children we will see the revision work of lesson 2 Solomon the Wise. So children, let us move to the lesson 2 Solomon the Wise. First of all, I am again reading this lesson. Then I will explain you short summary. Then at last we will do the word meaning and difficult word. So let us start. Long ago there was a very wise king called Solomon. His fame had spread far and wide. Many people from different corners of the country came to see him. The Queen of Sheba had heard so much about King Solomon. She wanted to test his wisdom. One day she came to the court with two garlands. One of the garlands was made of real flowers, while the other was made of artificial flowers. The queen held the garland of real flowers in her right hand and the other in her left hand. "Oh, wise king, can you tell me which of these flowers are real?" she asked the king. There was complete silence in the court. The flowers in the two garlands looked so much alike, it was indeed difficult to know the difference. How is the king going to find out? The courtiers wondered. King Solomon thought for a while. Then he told his servant to open all the windows. Everyone in the court looked puzzled. Soon some bees flew in through the windows. They began to buzz around the garland of flowers in her right hand and finally settled on them. Then the king said, "I have the answer to your question. The garland in your right hand is made of real flowers and the one in your left hand is made of artificial flowers." When the queen heard this, she was very impressed. She honored him with many gifts. The people in the kingdom praised Solomon for his wisdom. So, this one is the second lesson, and just now I am telling you the short summary of this lesson. Actually, Solomon was known for his wisdom. The Queen of Sheba heard of Solomon's wisdom. She wanted to test Solomon's wisdom herself. In order to do so, she came to visit King Solomon's court. She came to visit King Solomon's court. The opulent atmosphere of the court, a rich display of wealth and grandeur impressed the queen greatly. Queen of Sheba was holding two garlands looking exactly the same. She was holding one in the right hand and the other in the left hand. She told the king to find out which one of the two garlands was made of real flowers and which was made of artificial flowers. On hearing the question, King Solomon became silent for a few moments. Then he ordered the windows to be opened. As soon as the windows were opened, some bees flew in from garden outside. It means that as soon as the windows were opened, some bees flew in from the garden outside. They flew straight to the garland the queen was holding in her right hand. At once King Solomon declared that the garland in the queen's right hand was made of real flowers. The matter was resolved. The queen went back highly impressed with Solomon's wisdom. Yes, this one is true that When the Queen Sheba asked that you have to find out which one is the real flowers and which one is the artificial flowers, then in the courtiers all are confused whether the king judged that which one is the right flowers, but the King Solomon told them open that all the windows so that bees flew. And what happened, you know, that the garland in the right hand was the real flower. So this one is the story. So let us children, we will see the meaning of new words. Wise meaning here is clever. Bees here meaning is insects. Fame meaning being well known. Buzz sounds of bees. Garland meaning formed a flower on a string. Impressed meaning think that someone is good. Artificial meaning not real. Honored meaning respected. So children, this is the word meaning. So thank you for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.